In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get audit reports on DocuSign, step by step. If you need to track user activity, monitor account changes, or download compliance records for security and reporting purposes, this is the process you need to know. Audit logs are incredibly important for administrators, especially if you're managing a team or handling sensitive documents. I'll walk you through everything in a clear and simple way so you can generate and export your audit report in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging in with an account that has administrator permissions, because standard users typically won't see the audit log options. Once you've entered your email and password and completed any verification steps, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard. From the main dashboard, look toward the top navigation menu and click on Admin. This will take you to the DocuSign Admin console. The Admin area is where you manage users, permissions, account settings, integrations, and most importantly for this tutorial, reporting and audit activity. If you don't see the Admin option, double-check that your account has the correct role assigned. After you're inside the Admin dashboard, look through the menu options until you find Audit Logs. Go ahead and click on Audit Logs. This section gives you a detailed record of activity that has taken place within your DocuSign account. It can include login activity, user changes, permission updates, and other important administrative actions. This is especially useful for compliance, internal reviews, and security investigations. Once you're on the Audit Logs page, you'll see options to filter or review activity directly within the dashboard. But if you want to download the full report for sharing or record keeping, look for the Export to CSV button. Click on Export to CSV. DocuSign will then generate a downloadable CSV file containing the audit log data. Depending on the size of your account and the date range selected, this may take a few moments. After the file is generated, it will download to your computer. You can open the CSV file in Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet software to sort, filter, and analyze the data. From there, you can archive it, send it to compliance teams, or keep it for your internal documentation. And that's it. That's exactly how to get audit reports on DocuSign quickly and efficiently. Just log in, go to Admin, click on Audit Logs, and export the report to CSV. It's a simple process once you know where to look. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step DocuSign and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.